fresh out the oven. Bitch, I be thuggin', I'm smoking this killer. Y'all niggas ain't shit. Count racks in a lag, getting lit. Got packs, steady booming out rents. Me, y'all niggas ain't this. Pay the full like rich. Fuck a rich nigga, bitch. Just the life that I live. Niggas, something gotta give. Cause we all up in the gutter. Word the mother tree. My niggas like my brothers, let it burn like Usher. This finna be a hot summer. Niggas talking like they getting money, taking pictures with their honeys in the
It's 2001 Nissan Patrol GU2. It's been converted for about 5 years now. Engine's had about 5,400 Ks on it when it went in. It's got about 44,000 on it now. So it was a 2010 FG XR6 turbo motor. Basically, it's a 62mm on the front. It's a 3576 Garrett, which was what the FG motor comes with, but it's got a 62mm wheel on the front of it. It's got ID 1000 injectors, HPI cooler, front mount, because top mounts are fucking gay. 4-inch snorkel to turbo intake, 4-inch turbo back exhaust. It's been tuned with SCT flash tuner. Makes 410 horsepower on 19 PSI at the wheels. It's got the MPC 1000 Newton meter clutch in it. Twin 16-inch Spal thermos, Carter back black lift pump feeding 2.5 litre surge tank, then Bosch 44 fuel pump to fuel rail. Turbo Smart e-boost street controlling the turbo obviously. It's got a Turbo Smart big bubble blow-off valve plumbed back into the airbox for legality reasons. Sounds horrible, but whatever. Turbo Smart actuator on the turbo, dual battery systems using the Red Arc DC-DC charger and the jump start solenoid. The suspension and the driveline has got Dobinson 3-inch heavy duty coils, Dobinson 4-inch remote res shocks, front and rear extended bump stops, superior engineering adjustable uppers plus 5mm lowers, adjustable panhards, adjustable tie rods, adjustable steering arm, extended sway bar links, drop boxes, extended brake lines. Tyres are 33-inch bighorns on a 15-inch rim. It's got front and rear ARB air locker. It's got an ARB air compressor. It's got Dobinson winch bar with side steps and brush bars, solid tube steel rear bar, VRS 12,500 pound winch with synthetic rope. It's got 4-vision XHID spotlights. It's got a 40-inch LED light bar. It's got LED fog lights. It's got the Rhino platform rack with holders for the high lift jack, shovel, gas bottle, tie down points, camping lights and reverse lights attached to the roof rack. It's got a Foxwing awning. Interior, it's got boost gauges by Autometer. UHF's a GME 80 channel. It's got a 7-inch DVD Alpine DVD navigation head unit with the reverse camera, overhead DVD screen. Stereo's got two 12-inch subs with a couple of big amps. Rear bars were all custom made with the fridge slide. It's got a 27-litre water tank with pump in the back door, 120-watt inverter. It's got a rear drop-down table and a second glove box. This was built mainly by a guy up in Rockhampton named Stacey. He pretty much built the whole thing. Yeah, I've done a few things. It's also got the AEM water methanol injection. Insane Performance in Rockhampton actually are the ones that did the tune. I haven't touched the tune because it's actually it goes really well.
Bitch, I was broke, now I'm stunting. Trapping like fuck it, I just need hundreds. Knowing I love it, man. Peep how I'm coming. Straight out the dungeon, no fresh out the oven. Bitch, I be thuggin', I'm smoking this killer.